You have arranged a picnic. The venue has already been selected. Some students of your class are also interested to join the picnic. Now, write a letter to your friend inviting him to join the picnic. তোমরা একটি বনভোজনের আয়োজন করেছ। বনভোজনের জায়গা ইতোমধ্যে নির্বাচিত হয়ে গেছে। তোমাদের বিদ্যালয়ের কিছু ছাত্রীরাও এতে অংশগ্রহণ করতে আগ্রহী। এখন তোমার বন্ধুকে এতে অংশগ্রহণের আমন্ত্রণ জানিয়ে একটি পত্র লেখো। Ans. Will a P.O. be dest r 25শে ডিসেম্বর 2025 My dear Mugdho, I hope you are keeping well. From your last letter I've come to know that your examination is over and so is ours. Well, we are going on a picnic to Jamuna Resort on 27শে January. We all are interested to take you with us. We feel that you will make the picnic enjoyable. We will play different games and enjoy many sights and sounds on the way to the venue. So, I invite you to go with us so that we all can enjoy the picnic to the fullest. More when we meet. Love to all of your family. Yours ever. Saeed. তারা চিহ্ন draw an envelope and write full addresses of the writer and the receiver.